Sanibona bafowethu nodadewethu. Welcome to Mzansi Zulumama. Today we are exploring the powerful coming of age ceremonies in Zulu culture, and that is Umhlonyane and Umemulo. Have you ever wondered what they mean, how they differ, and why they matter so much? Now let's dive in. Umhlonyane is the very first step into womanhood. It happens when a girl starts her first period. During the sacred time, she is taught the values of cleanliness, respect, and her new role in the family and community. She's guided by elder women and shown love and care. It's not a big party, but a sacred and beautiful pause. Let's look at what happens with Umhlonyane. Firstly, the girl is isolated, and there's teachings from older women. Some will do herbal steaming and cleansing. And then on the day when they come out of isolation, there's celebrations. And we celebrate through singing and dancing. This will happen immediately, or umhlonyane should be done immediately after menstruation. But then with modernization and things changing, it differs from family to family now. Umemulo, on the other hand, is a celebration, a grand event held when a young woman is now matured, usually around the age of 21. It includes traditional dancing, the symbolic spear, beads, and the beautiful fat that is called umhlwehlwe across her body to show purity and strength. It's a sign that she is now ready for womanhood and possibly marriage. Family and the whole community will join in. Now let's look at what happens now with Umemulo. There's slaughtering of the cow and wearing of umhlwehlwe. Then you dance with the spear and receiving of gifts from family. And then there's praise songs and a celebration with singing and dancing. Now, let me give you key differences between Umhlonyane and Umemulo. The first one is the timing. Umhlonyane is at puberty, Umemulo is at maturity. Now, the size of these ceremonies. Umhlonyane is small and private, and it's usually just family and very close friends, but family on its own is just perfect because you want it to be as private and small as possible. Umemulo is large and public. Everyone is there. You even invite friends from the other side of where you live or friends from high school. You can invite everyone that you want there in the function, but it's basically family, friends, and the whole community joins into Umemulo. Now, the focus. Difference is the focus. Umhlonyane is about initiation, while Umemulo is about celebration and readiness for marriage. I hope that was clear because I got some questions around Umhlonyane and Umemulo, and people wanted to know what's the difference, because to someone who hasn't attended it or who doesn't know what these ceremonies are, it's just the same. So ngiyabonga kakhulu ngokuba nathi kuze kube manje. Zulu culture is rich, powerful, and sacred, and ceremonies like Umhlonyane and Umemulo reminds us of the strength, beauty, and wisdom passed down through generations. Ukuze sibe nesizwe esinamandla, sidinga ukugcina amasiko ethu ephila. So preserving these traditions keeps our identity alive. Now I would love to hear from you. Have you ever attended Umhlonyane or Umemulo? And what does coming of age mean in your own culture or community? Please drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's celebrate each other's cultures. Ungakhohlwa ke ukuthanda le video, ukwabelana nabangani bakho, futhi ubhalisele olunye ulwazi olujulile ngemvelaphi yethu. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you never miss out when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, nisale kahle.